What's up guys, it's Zach back at it again with another video, and today we are going to be talking about some of my favorite plugins. I've mentioned a lot of them in my past videos. I'll link some of those up top, but today I'm going to talk more specifically about them and why I like them. Not necessarily how I use them, just kind of a quick list. Not in any particular order. A lot of them aren't even going to be the same type of plugins, so you can't really compare them, but these are going to be plugins that I use all the time. First, we're going to talk about the Kotelnikov compressor. That's one that I used in my compressor basics video. I'll put that up top. And it's just an awesome all-around plugin. It's amazing that it's free because it has a fit and finish that it feels like you should pay for it. And has a very, very refined look to it. Has a very refined feel to it, and it just has a lot of nice options. Like you have a Delta button, which is great. And again, I talk about a lot of this stuff in the compressor basics video and go into more of a deep dive, but this is absolutely a compressor I use all the time. All right, the next one that I love using, and I pretty much anytime I record electric guitar, I have this plugin somewhere in the mix. It's from ML Sound Labs, and that is the Amped Roots. Fluff helped put this together. I'm gonna put links for everything down in the description. But Fluff helped put this together. I also talk about this in my recording guitar basics video. I'll put that up top. And that is it's a plugin that it's amazing that it's free because it sounds so good and so lifelike that it's astounding that it's free. I think that they put it together when the pandemic had first happened. And so it's just really cool to have there be companies that are not just doing this to, cash out and take advantage of people. They're putting out products and options for people who maybe you can't afford something right now. Here, have this. And there's awesome there's awesome presets in there. They all sound great. They're all usable. And it's just a phenomenal plugin. So moving right along, Valhalla Supermassive. It's a great plugin. It's kind of like a delay and reverb all in one, and like you can kind of change between the two, and like it's really get it. Like just get it and mess around with it. If you'd like to see me do a demo of it, go ahead, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll probably do it anyway. But it's an awesome plugin. It's free. Support a great company. They have tons of different options and a lot of different stuff for you to check out. So I highly recommend checking out Valhalla, mainly because it's free, very high quality, and it's a good way to kind of get your foot wet with the people who made it. Check out the other things that they have. $50 really isn't that bad for the other options that they have. And next we have the MT Powerdrums. A while back I was looking for drums that didn't sound stupid, and like you do, and I was having such a hard time finding something that like had the samples built into it, and it was really frustrating. Sometimes you would find a cool thing and you would open it up and then it's like, oh, you have to pay to get the samples, or you have to load your own samples into it. And I was like, dude, if I had a drum kit, I would just use that. I wouldn't need to be in this situation. And then I stumbled upon the MT Power Kit 2 from Manda Audio, and it's phenomenal. The samples are really good. They have a ton of different like groove libraries, and they have different time signatures as well. Obviously you can go into the MIDI editor and change things around or whatever you need, but it's a really versatile plugin. And again, it's free. Absolutely. If you can, support these companies that are putting out such quality products for free. A lot of them, they have like a donate system if they're putting out free content, and we should definitely pay it forward when we can, because this is such high quality stuff for little to no money. And this is something that I use a lot. I've since started using Get Good Drums, but MT Power Kit it's a great place to start. All right, coming in at number 5, and it's going to complete this video, is the Dead Duck channel strip. That's actually the company name, is Dead Duck. And it's essentially an SSL clone. It's awesome, super versatile. It's basically a clone from the SSL you can buy from Wave. Speaking of Wave, this isn't sponsored, but I do have a 10% off link down in the description below. I'll make sure to put that up pretty high. And if you use that link, you will get 10% off of your next purchase at Waves. Waves is, again, this isn't sponsored, but it's an awesome place to buy plugins. Almost everything they have is always on sale, and they also have really cool flash sales. They'll have, whole suites from, CLA or SSL, or of course their own products, and they'll be on just massive sales. It's awesome. So definitely check that out. If you're looking to get into plugins, they do have some free ones, and then also have some awesome, amazing plugins at huge discounts. So 10% off coupon down in the description below. But anyway, this is an awesome option if you don't have the money for the SSL options right now, which is fine. It works really well, and it's something that I use on almost every single mix. And again, it's free. These guys are putting out phenomenal programs and VSTs right now. So guys, that just about wraps everything up. Down in the description below, I'm gonna put that 10% off coupon for waves.com. Again, this is not sponsored, but that is just something that I got an email for, and I was like, oh cool, I'll put it in my videos. And then I'll also, of course, put a link to my free guide, my beginner's guide to audio recording. It's going to be kind of a quick start type thing and have some walkthroughs. And of course, I have cards and videos up in the corners of the screen. But of course, like always, guys, I hope you're doing well. And please, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like and subscribe so I can, see what you enjoy and what you don't like or what you want to see, and make sure that I'm providing good content for you. So with that, I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Oh, perfect timing. The pizzas just got done.